Hi friends, welcome to Panu Women's Super Specialities. I am Dr. Jayesh Patel. Today I am going to demonstrate a difficult case of chorion villus sampling or chorion biopsy. In this case, the difficulty is that the patient is obese, that is 120 kg, and she is having a previous cesarean. Her placenta is in a posterior wall, so it is a difficult case from ultrasound point of view as well as procedure point of view. Obese patients, it is difficult to see, resolution of the ultrasound becomes poor, and thickness of the wall also comes in the way. So routinely we use a 3.5 inch spinal needle, but here we are going to use a long 7-inch needle, which is a 18 gauge needle with a eco tip. With this eco tip needle will be easily seen on the ultrasound. Its length will be visible. So let us see how we do it on the patient with a posterior placenta. This needle is very much helpful. Come on, let us demonstrate on patient. Here you can see on the ultrasound picture, it is a thick abdominal wall, and I am introducing local anesthesia, that is Xylocaine 2%, almost 7 cc I have used in this patient, and it is a anesthetized wall, and my chorion biopsy needle is now entering into the abdominal wall without the pain to the patient. And now I am trying to go to the placenta. You can see the movement of the placenta, but the uterus is a little bit more flexible. Now I have entered into the uterus, and I want to avoid the amniotic cavity. You can see that my needle has not entered into the amniotic cavity. It is within the substance of the placenta posteriorly, and the tip is glistening into the placenta. Now we will start movement after joining the needle with the 20 cc syringe with culture media. You can see the movement of the needle. These jabs will cut the placental tissue, and constant negative suction will give us a good amount of chunk of the tissue from the placenta. They are the chorionic villi which we are going to suck out. During this constant movement, you can see that we are not entering into the amniotic cavity. Post procedure, we always check the fetal heart, and we show that the heart is working to the patient also. Here you can see in a sterile bowel that a good chunk of the chorionic tissue is seen on one side and a blood clot on the other side. Thank you.